Hey, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create the currency on Google Sheet automatically. So here I already opened my Google Sheet, and then I have conversion from Indian Rupee into USD, and then reverse it USD into Indian Rupee. I'm not typing it manually, but I'm using function of Google Finance. So you can follow this Google Finance, open the bracket, and then the quotes, currency, and then the colon. Okay, the colon symbol, and then you can write the currency you want to convert for if you want to convert from Indian Rupee into USD. It's just like this. First, you have to key in the Indian Rupee. I will show you the example. For example, I want to make it from SGD or Singapore dollar into USD, and then the reverse it USD into SGD. So I put a Google Finance, and then put currency, and then put the colon, and then I put SGD USD. Close the quotes, and then close the bracket, hit the enter. See, it means that 1 SGD is equal to 0.7 USD. And then instead of typing like this, you can use AND operator for if you have many conversion you need to monitor. For example, I will put Google Finance, and then open the quotes, and then I put currency, and then the colon, and then close the quotes, and then put the AND operator, and then you put the cell, or in my case is B6 cell, and then close the bracket, and then it will be shown conversion from USD into SGD. It means 1 USD equal to 1.3 SGD. For example, another example, I will put Malaysian ringgit into SGD. So I just drag this function because I already put the function like this. I just drag to the right. So it takes a while. Now I got that 1 Malaysian ringgit equal to 0.3 SGD. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.